Investing in Probo, an app designed to streamline property management and maintenance tasks, involves several steps. Research and analysis. Research the Probo app and its features. Understand how it functions and its benefits for property managers and landlords. Analyze the market demand for property management software and the potential for Probo to capture market share. Evaluate investment options. Determine the investment opportunity offered by Probo. Research if Probo is a publicly traded company or if it's raising funds through private investment rounds. Evaluate the investment terms, including valuation, equity offered, and potential returns. Contact Probo. Reach out to Probo's management team or investor relations department to express interest in investing. Inquire about investment opportunities, such as participating in a funding round or purchasing shares if Probo is publicly traded. Due diligence. Conduct thorough due diligence on Probo as an investment opportunity. Review financial statements, business plans, and market positioning. Seek advice from financial advisors or investment professionals to assess the risk and potential returns associated with investing in Probo. Investment decision. Based on your research and due diligence, make an informed decision about investing in Probo. If satisfied with the investment opportunity, proceed to invest according to the terms and conditions provided by Probo.